Welcome back to my channel. Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for ways to improve your well-being. But sometimes, even the most well-intentioned among us can fall into some not-so-healthy habits. Today, I want to talk about 10 common unhealthy habits that could be slowly eroding your health without you even realizing it. 1. Skipping breakfast. Breakfast is truly the most important meal of the day. It kickstarts your metabolism, provides you with essential nutrients, and gives you the energy you need to power through your morning. Skipping breakfast can lead to cravings later in the day, making it more likely that you'll reach for unhealthy snacks. 2. Overindulging in processed foods. Processed foods are often packed with unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium. They can contribute to weight gain, heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic health conditions. Try to limit your intake of processed foods and opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. 3. Not drinking enough water. Water is essential for life. It helps to regulate your body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste products. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration, fatigue, headaches, and even kidney stones. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Before I go ahead with the next tip, please do well to subscribe to this channel for insightful healthy tips and more. 4. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for both your physical and mental health. When you don't get enough sleep, your body doesn't have time to repair itself, which can lead to a weakened immune system, increased stress levels, and even weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. 5. Sitting for too long. We spend a lot of time sitting these days, whether it's at work, at home, or in the car. Prolonged sitting can increase your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other health problems. Make sure to get up and move around every 30 minutes or so. 6. Not exercising regularly. Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your health. It helps to improve your cardiovascular health, strengthen your muscles, and boost your mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. 7. Smoking. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable death. It damages your lungs, heart, and blood vessels, and can lead to cancer, stroke, and other serious health problems. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do for your health. 8. Drinking too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can damage your liver, heart, and brain. It can also lead to addiction, accidents, and risky behavior. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. 9. Ignoring stress. Stress can take a toll on your physical and mental health. It can lead to headaches, anxiety, depression, and even heart disease. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or yoga. 10. Not seeing your doctor regularly. Regular checkups are important for maintaining your health. They can help to identify and treat potential health problems early on. See your doctor for a checkup at least once a year. Breaking bad habits. Breaking bad habits can be challenging, but it's definitely possible. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one habit to focus on and make small changes over time. Set realistic goals. Make sure your goals are achievable and specific. For example, instead of saying I'm going to eat healthier, say I'm going to eat at least 1 serving of vegetables with each meal. Find a support system. Talk to your friends, family, or a therapist about your goals. Having someone to support you can make it easier to stick to your plan. Don't give up. It may take some time to break a bad habit. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Just pick yourself up and keep going. Remember, your health is worth it. By making small changes to your lifestyle, you can improve your health and well-being for years to come. Disclaimer. This information is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. Thank you for watching and remember to share this with your loved ones and friends.